Hello DIY friends and welcome back to another video. Fall is on the horizon and I am feeling red buffalo check decor, so I'm giving you two very cute and simple ones, and let's begin the video. I got this scarf from Dollar Tree a while ago and this is perfect for what I want to use it for. I got this piece of foam out of some packaging I have got a while ago, and this will be used together to create a mantelpiece or something you can just lay around on top of a table. Very simple and cute. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to measure out the scarf over this foam piece to make sure all sides are covered before I adhere it together. Now I'm going to get my scissors to cut away all the excess scarf so I can use it for a different DIY. I am now using my favorite glue. I love this. I use it for everything. It works on all materials, especially foam board, so it does not eat away like other things do. And I got this from Dollar Tree. It is called foam board glue, so get some if you find it. And now I'm just going to place the scarf on top of it while moving it around to make sure that all sides are still covered with this scarf fabric before I apply pressure on the top. And then I will go right ahead and use that same glue so that I can glue all of the edges with this fabric as well. So kind of like wrapping it like a present before I move along with my DIY. Alright, so now that everything has been glued together, I'm now going to get my scissors to cut away all of the excess fabric. So now I'm going to be using my Dollar Tree black poster board, and I'm going to put this right in the corner, and I'm going to use my scoring tool so I can score around it so I can know where to cut. Now after I cut this out, I am going to be putting this onto my silhouette cameo mat that I only use for paper so that I can go ahead and start the cutting. Now that's done, I'm just going to weed the actual cutout from my mat and move it onto my square so that I can adhere it to the front. I am loving how this is turning out. So to give it a little bit more depth in the front, I'm going to get some brown twine and I'm going to make a little tiny bow to put it onto the stem part of the picture for the pumpkin. And here is the final look. Now, if you're able to find cotton stems at Dollar Tree, lucky you, but I can never find any, so I'm going to make some of my own. I'm going to start off by pulling apart a cotton ball to make it nice and fluffy, and then I'm going to take these pine cones and take away some of the sides to put onto this cotton ball. I created these little sticks by taking apart a brown Dollar Tree wreath so I could make it look like little twigs. Making your own cotton stems are very simple and easy. You're going to take that brown stick and you're going to put some hot glue on the very end. This will allow you to adhere the cotton ball to it without problem. Making sure to pinch the bottom piece where the cotton and the twine connect so that it can be a very sturdy hold. Then you're just going to put some little beads of glue on the sides of the cotton ball and place the pine cones onto the hot glue. I did the same thing to make the rest of my cotton stems. And now I'm going to take that scarf fabric from earlier so I can make the base to hold these cotton stems. I'm going to take another piece of packing foam and stack it onto each other. And now I'm just doing a dry run to ensure I have enough fabric to cover it how I want. And then I'm going to grab my scissors to cut off the excess fabric. So I'm going to grab my hot glue gun and I'm going to put a little hot glue onto both of those foam pieces so they can stay together. And now I'm going to grab each of my cotton sticks and put them into the foam. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to grab the rest of the fabric, put it all together, but to hold it, I'm going to get me some brown twine, wrap it all around the center part, and do a nice little bow. And here is the finished look. I really like how these two pieces came together at the end. Which one do you like? Thank you so much for checking out my video. Make sure you like, comment, or subscribe, and check out some of my other videos in my description below.